Bear, tell the viewers why you're so needy. Huh? Huh? Like, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're in the IGLOO today for some more updates and working on it. If you haven't seen the last video, you should probably go back and watch that one because we give the whole spiel of why we got a new shop, what we're doing to it, and yeah. So today we're gonna be working on making sure all the snow doesn't come back in. So we're gonna go blow it off, blow off all the cars, work on insulation, and yeah, so we'll get to it. Boom. So we got it all blown down. We're gonna be working on this green insulation stuff that we did in the other shop. Pretty much it's the reason why is I'll show you actually, it's pretty easy to explain. Behind these 2x4s and the tin, there's a gap. So, and that insulation perfectly fits here. So pretty much we insulate the green underneath it all, and then we can run the white fiberglass insulation up. Different people told me, well, you should just spray foam it. Yeah, but then I'm gonna be waiting till spring to have to spray foam. So versus if I would just start doing fiberglass here and fiberglass on that middle wall and doing fiberglass along this whole bottom wall, then all I have is pretty much here and up. But the idea I got for this is I want it to be nice and flat. I don't want to have that weird spray foam. Different people said you could just like cover it with plywood and stuff, but I feel that it would still be, if it's not perfect, I'd be cutting and then it's just a waste. So I got a different idea what I'm gonna do for there, but once I get to that, I'll explain. But yeah, I just kind of want everything to be a nice slick going up. So if we choose to do what we want to do with it, it'll make it look nice. But yeah, so we'll start working on this green insulation and start shoving it in there. Welcome back for day 2, working on the IGLOO, the insulation part at least. Yesterday we got pretty much all the green insulation boards, those rigid boards, put up what we had. So then I had to wait because everything was closed the next day. So we had to wait for the day after to go pick up more. I got some more green boards and then I got a thicker one so I could see how the sides work out. And if you can see, I had started, this is where we had got to pretty much, so I put up as much as I could, and then we started putting in the fiberglass insulation. So right now it's R12 for the fiberglass, and those green boards are like an R3. So we got about R15 for the back wall, which isn't crazy, but it'll work for what we need to do. But yeah, we'll get to cutting up the rest of these, shoving up on the back wall, and keep going along with the fiberglass. So let's get to it. We got all the green insulation finished up. If you can see, the back wall is looking just slick. Okay, we got her all done. Now, pretty much what I did was I was able to fill those gaps up there. So there's some places where the gaps are still on the edge, but we minimized how much air is coming in because we haven't got that edging around done on the outside. So now we'll just start shoving all the fiberglass insulation in. Sorry about like how dark it is in here. Like I only got one light, but yeah, we'll just start shoving in the fiberglass insulation and start going from there. Okay, for some reason the battery kept dying. I don't know, it was kind of chilly. We weren't running a heater in here. So for some reason the camera was dying. So we just went to work, and I'll just show you the end result of us finishing up all the insulation all throughout the shop. Okay, so that's our back wall, or I guess our middle wall. It's all insulated up, R12. And then we got the whole rest of the bottom is R20. So yeah, it's all put in, plasticized, getting taped up. But yeah, that's the end result. We got it all pretty much insulated. The only thing we got to work on is doing now all the ribs, which we're going to do with that green stuff, and then cover it up later to make a nice kind of flat roof. Or not flat roof, just a nice, the roof will be just a nice kind of not weird and like have weird jags and everything. It'll be nice and smooth. But yeah, so that'll be, I guess, the end of the video. Kind of the shop's coming along slowly, getting insulated so we can start working on vehicles in here. I got to move the car over. We got the heater going on, so now all the little ice up on top is starting to melt down. But yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share. We're gonna keep working on the garage until kind of we can get some stuff, and then I think a couple more projects are gonna be coming along. Well, I got to work on my square body, another car project my brother wants to work on, and hopefully working on Mom's Galaxy. But check you later. See you next time.